Hello everyone, welcome back to Hacks with Christina. Today I'm going to show you a cleaning solution that I learned from a flooring expert to use to get your floors clean and shiny. This solution is easy and you probably already have all of the ingredients at home. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video for a tip on how to avoid water spots visibly drying on your floors after mopping. To begin, we will fill a bucket with 1 gallon of warm water. The warm water will help to loosen dirt and grime. Next, we'll add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to the warm water and mix the two ingredients together very well. Apple cider vinegar is great for cutting through the dirt and grime and will leave the floors clean and shiny. Choosing the right mop is important to get the best results. For hardwood floors like tile, linoleum, and sealed hardwood, a microfiber or cotton mop works well. For larger areas, a mop with a reusable, machine washable pad is a great choice. We have a worldwide following here at Hacks with Christina, and I would love to know which country you are watching from. Let me know in the comments below. Dip your mop into the cleaning solution and make sure it's thoroughly soaked. Then wring it out well so it's damp but not dripping. Gently wipe the floors in a back and forth motion starting from one end of the room and working your way to the exit. If you have wood floors, mop with the grain of your floors. Once you've mopped the entire floor, allow it to dry. The warm water and apple cider vinegar solution will evaporate, leaving your floors clean and residue free. As the solution dries, the smell of the apple cider vinegar will also dissipate. Now, if your solution has dried and you see water spots on your floor, it means you've been mopping with water that has become too dirty. Be sure to dump out the dirty water and refill your bucket with the solution multiple times throughout the mopping process. And there you have it, clean, shiny floors using just warm water and apple cider vinegar. This natural solution is safe for most hard floor surfaces, including tile, linoleum, and sealed hardwood. It's an eco-friendly way to keep your home looking its best. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!